So this post was about reversing grey hair when taking NMN. And so some customers or some people that take NMN report that over a longer period of use, that they will start seeing less grey hairs or a reversing of their grey hairs. Now, there can be many reasons why this is, but this person is asking, what's the mechanism whereby NMN could potentially be producing that? So let's talk about that right now. First of all, we need to understand the process. NMN, precursor to NAD. NAD is the thing that is fueling something called sirtuins. They are responsible for repairing DNA damage. So why is that important within greying hair? In your hair follicle, you have these cells, and over time they will age due to DNA damage, oxidation, a whole bunch of other stuff which I can't remember right now, and they can stop producing melanin, and that's the thing that creates a pigment in your hair and it turns it the color that it is. So if you have excess of your fuel for your sirtuins, they can go out and do their jobs every single day. And one of those is repairing DNA damage, which in theory should help repair your DNA that's in your head, right? In your hair follicles. And therefore your cell goes, oh yeah, like I've got brown hair, let's start making brown pigments so I can now have brown hair again. So that's the kind of theoretical process. In terms of studies to back up that evidence, we know that that happens. But what I haven't seen is a study that specifically talks about grey hair reversal. So I'm not sure of that, if any of those studies exist. There could be some ongoing at the moment, but I would assume they would take quite a few series of months to complete. However, if you've got any, please do ping them down to me, DM them. I will definitely go and check them out. So whilst we can't say NMN equals reverse greying of grey hair, what you can look at is what is the process that NMN is a precursor to and what does NAD do? And then you can kind of extrapolate from there. But again, that's not a science, that's just looking at it in terms of from a layman's point of view. Obviously, we need the scientific evidence to actually say that.